composer si Adonis Tanaka. And every time he starts the album composition, I gave him the inspiration. Sabi ko, halimbawa, yung beat ni Madonna, which is Liza Bonita. Sabi ko, gumawa ka ng song based on this beat. And then pag nakuha niya yung lyrics, i-input ko yung sasabihin ko sa kanya, ito yung gusto mong mangyari sa scene. And then gagawin niya yung mga words. Tapos i-rhyme niya. So it's a very long process. Minsan, yung isang song will take him like 3 months. Just to ano. Magaling si Adonis kasi mismong mga melodies ng song siya na gumagawa. Pero ang story talaga nito, gusto mo, I want everybody to dance, pero huwag naman yung excessive dancing. So the story behind that is that when you go, the only way to dance is when you're dancing in the beach. So pag nagsasayaw ka sa beach, hindi masyadong mabilisan like when you're dancing in the club. So basically yun. Parang sunny, ano kung tawag na, but easy listening, easy dancing type.
Kala ko may hugot ka na bakit dancing in the ocean. Kasi gusto kong tanungin, ano bang mga uno sa buhay mo or parang nasinayawan mo lang?
Marami. Kasi I believe sometimes people call you mayabang or sometimes people call you you're full of yourself. But they don't realize the only reason why you do that is because you've been through a lot. Diba? Karamihan talaga sa mga taong matatapak or standing alone or independent is because they won every challenge they faced. Kaya marami akong Janice, isa doon na pinaka-challenge ko is my mother. Yeah. Kaya ko lahat pero when it comes to my mom, anything happens, talagang nalulungkot. Yung talagang natatalo bigla. So what I do, before it happens, I prevent things from happening. So inuuna ko na yung mga needs niya. Isang ganun pa lang ng mata niya, alam ko na kailangan niya. Isang ganun pa lang ng kamay niya, alam ko na yung needs niya. So, my mom will sometimes tell me, in fact tells me, sige na, okay na ako. And every time she says that, I know she means the opposite. Every time magsasabi si mama, sige, huwag ka na magluto, it means magluluto ako. So, I know her. Very independent si mama, pero pagdating sa mga ganun, you have to be, unahan mo siya. Kasi makukuha mo sa sabihin sa'yo eh. Everyday bababa ko siya sa exercise. The first thing she says, buti araw-araw hindi ka nasasawa sa akin. And each time she says that, alam mo gusto mo maiyak, pero ayaw mo umiyak. Tinatawa mo na lang. So siya yung pinaka-struggle ko, totoo lang. Kasi I changed my life for her. I used to host and always be on events every weekend. And then, nursing job almost 5 days a week. Pero ngayon talaga between job, between events, and mom, number 1 si mama. So, inumahubin ko. Kaya sinacrifice ko lahat, Janice. My sisterhood, hindi ko kaya magkaroon ng affairs. Yung yung time ko is very, tight.
So, is she the reason why parang until now ba single ka?
Yeah. So, minsan makikita niyo yung kanta sa Dancing in the Ocean. May mga partners na dyan. It only reflects the things because they are what I want to have. So if you see the videos, those are my dreams. Those are my wishes. That if I have my life, I have my life. If I have my life the other way around, if my mom is not like now, the dreams that you see on this MTV will be a reality sana. Pero since hindi ko magawa, kasi matidiman yung time ko. Since hindi ko magagawa yung full time, nagawa ko na lang through songs. Doon ko na nilalabas.
Was there a time that she asked you to find a girl that you can be with for the rest of your life?
Every day. She tells me this, huwag mo akong intindihin kasi may edad na ako. Intindihin mo yung sarili mo kasi tumatanda ka. Every single time she says that. And each time I know, pagdating sa anak mama ko, hindi ako objective. Sa everything else, I'm very objective, right? Alam ni, kailangan ang press code head count. Pag hindi keep glowing without concealer. Kasi ayoko na magpasaway. Pag pupunta ka, going, mga ganun na to, dire-diretso, black and white. Ignorant ka, walang sama ng loob. Objectivity. Pero pagdating kay mama, hindi ko makuha. Yung super lagot ang puso kay mama. Pero I know, I'm not closing my doors. Maybe, anytime yan eh. Pag nandyan yan para sa'yo, di ba? Nandyan lang. Ang dami na rin kasi yung nakikita, inuod na yung love. Pero after some time, they hurt each other and then they break up. Ayun ang ganun. Ang gusto ko, when I'm into that, dire-diretso, wala. Gusto ko forever.
Wala pa siyang pinakilala sa'yo or meron siyang parang bet para maging girlfriend mo, maging partner.
I have 3 exes. Kaya I don't tell them in public. Kasi ano yun, private life ko. But I had 3 exes. And then, nangyari na, then I have to stop with them.
So, no one from showbiz.
Mahirap baka ipagsabi ni Jan. Kung sabi niya,
Pero kailangan ba may qualities na coming from your mom na this should be the girl?
yeah. Ang kailangan lang is she knows na hindi ko maiiwan ang nanay ko. Kagaya ng ko sana, yung mga in-laws will not say, hindi mo pa yung nanay mo kasi sa akin. Dapat walang ganun. Which is hard, di ba? Very hard to kasi yung mga asawa, lagi siya sasabihin, ako dapat mauna. Eh, sa akin ang rason ko is, we are young. We have all the years ahead. Ito ang edad na eh, kapatid na lang. So, we cannot stop loving our parents. Yun naman ang sa akin. So, mahirap maghanap ng makakaintindihan ng gano'n.
Baka after this, pag napanood nila yung interview, may mag-apply na.
Saan yung application form?
Anyway, among all your albums from 1 to 6, which song do you want people to remember you?
Kaya lang, kagaya ng sabi ko, the lonelier the song, the more they don't like it. Pero, pagpakinggan mo yung album 1, ba't umpisa ko pa naman, it's all about inspirations sa buhay. Na tumayo ka, huwag ka mag-surrender, mga ganun. So, ang mga tao hindi na masyado sa ganun. They like fun and vibing. So, ang naging memorable sa akin is yung album 2, yung Laging Ikaw. Kasi it's about expressing love. Then, itong dancing album, nakakatuwa kasi pag kinakanta ko siya, naalala mo yung, music is make-believe, right? You go, kaya nawawalang problema mo. Kasi you go to another world. Ang feeling ko sa album 6, yung world na I will never have, at least nandun ako. Nagagawa ko na meron akong partner, meron akong lakad-lakad sa beach. Maganda yung mga movies na yun.
Okay. And last question na lang. You've mentioned a while ago na in one of your albums, parang you give tribute to the LGBT community. So how important for you is this community? And kasi there are people who condemn them. So how are you going to defend them and show to other people that they also exist and have the same rights as the normal people?
Yeah, I believe in humanity. I don't believe in normalizing bad behaviors. I believe in humanity. So for example, members of LGBTQ na just like us, very civil, publicly, needs to be respected. Pero yung mga other members naman na, yung balahura sa street, na very openly, kasi yung very open, yung halos minsan wala kang mga damit sa kanya. Doon medyo, conservative ako doon. Pero other than that, I believe as a human being, everybody deserves to be respected. Eh kung aso ng pusa, di ba, respeto natin. Bakit hindi sa tao? So sa akin, I'm supporting of everybody kasi gagawin sabi ko again, tao lang. Tao lang. Thank you, Jack.